Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make beer in Ark Ascended. Start by collecting water, berries, and any recipe additions, like cooked ingredients, then set up a fermenter or preserving bin. Cook or mash ingredients if required, keeping temperatures and containers safe from predators. Monitor fermentation, progress, and store finished beer in jars or kegs for transport and consumption during raids or base defenses, staying mindful of spoil timers and quality. In this video, I will show how to make beer in Ark Ascended. Assemble a fermenter for consistent results or a preserving bin for a low-tech option, and position it in a secure, sheltered area. Add the mashed ingredients and water, then activate fermentation and check progress regularly to avoid spoilage or theft. Once complete, transfer beer to jars or kegs, label batches, and keep them cool to preserve potency and flavor for future use. In this video, I will show how to make beer in Ark Ascended. Follow the recipe ratios closely, noting required cooking steps and any temperature or time modifiers for best results. Use tames for bulk transport and place storage near crafting stations for convenience, and always lock down brewing areas to prevent player or dino interference. Test small batches to learn effects, then scale up production once you have a reliable, repeatable process and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.